Hiligaynon Interjections. In Hiligaynon, interjections are words or phrases used to express emotions or reactions. They are often used to convey surprise, happiness, frustration, or other feelings. Interjections are usually short and can stand alone or be inserted into sentences. Here are the common Hiligaynon interjections. The first one, we have aba, which translates to oh or wow in English. This is used to express surprise, amazement, or admiration. The second one is I, which translates to oh or oops in English and is used to express mild surprise, shock, or realization. The third one is hala, which translates to oh no or oh my in English and is used to express alarm, warning, or concern. The fourth one is ambot, which translates to I don't know or whatever. This is used to express uncertainty, lack of knowledge, or indifference. Let us have the following example sentences for the first Hiligaynon interjection, which is aba and translates to oh or wow. Aba, maayo gid ang imo trabaho. Oh, your work is really good. Maayo is good. Gid is an intensifier really. And then trabaho is work. So aba, maayo gid ang imo trabaho. The second one is, nadumduman mo pagid ako. Oh, you still remember me. Dumdum is like to recall or remember. Gid is an intensifier and then ako is me. Aba, nadumduman mo pagid ako. Aba, kaayo sa imo magluto. Wow. Or, oh, you're so good at cooking. So, kaayo, maayo is good or excellent. And then luto is cook. Magluto is cooking, magluto. And then, aba, maayo sa imo magluto. Another one is, dako na gid ang imo bata. Oh, your child has grown up so much. Dako is big or grown up. And then, bata is a child or kid. Imo is your kid or your child. Aba, dako na gid ang imo bata. Another one is, aba, kadasig sang imo magdalagan. And wow, you run so fast. Madasig means fast. And then dalagan is like run, magdalagan. Aba kadasig sa imo magdalagan. Another one is, aba, bago na ang imo cellphone. Oh, is your cellphone new? Bago is new and then a cellphone is a cellphone. Aba, bago na ang imo cellphone. Aba, nagdaog ka sa hampang. Oh, you won the game. Daog means won and then hampang is a game. Aba, nagdaog ka sa hampang. Aba, may bago ka nga balay. Oh, you have a new house. Bago is new and then a balay is a house. Aba, may bago ka nga balay. Aba, matahom gid ang imo mga bulak. So wow, your flowers are so beautiful. Matahom is beautiful. Gid is an intensifier really. And then bulak is flower. Aba, matahom gid ang imo mga bulak. Aba nga wala ka nagakadlaw. Oh, why aren't you laughing? Nga is why and then kadlaw is laugh. Aba nga wala ka nagakadlaw. The second one is I, which translates to oh or oops in English. The first one is I, nalipat ako sa imo nga kaadlawan. So, oh, I forgot your birthday. Nalipat is like forgot. And then, a kaadlawan is birthday. Ay, nalipat ako sa imo nga kaadlawan. Ay, nadula ako ang akon nga yabi. So, this means I lost my key. Nadula ako ang akon nga yabi. So, nadula is like lost. And then, a yabi is a key. Ay, nadula ako ang akon nga yabi. Ay, nabuka ako ang baso. Oops, I broke the glass. Nabuka is like broke. And then a baso is a glass. Ay, nabuka ko ang baso. Another one is I, na late na ako sa klase. So, oh, I'm late for class. Late is same in English, late. And then a klase is a class. Ay, na late ako, na ako sa klase. Ay, ginbitbit mo ang akon payong. Oh, did you take my umbrella? Bitbit is like to carry, and then a payong is an umbrella. So, ay ginbitbit mo ang akon payong. Another one is, ay malayo na gali ang balay nyo. Oh, your house is far away. Malayo is far, and then balay is house. Ay malayo na gali ang balay nyo. Ay nalipat ako nga asinan ang tinola. So, oops, I forgot to put salt in the soup. So, nalipat is like forgot, and then asin is salt, and then tinola is soup. Ay nalipat ako nga asinan ang tinola. Ay ang tanan nila ginbuhat ginhimo kuman. So, oh, I did everything they did too. Ay ang tanan nila ginbuhat ginhimo kuman. Tanan is like everything. Ginbuhat is did, and then ginhimo is like also do also, and then kuman is also. So another one ay matamis ang inyong kape. Oh, your coffee is sweet. Matamis means sweet, and then kape is coffee. Ay matamis ang inyong kape. Ay abi ko may klase subong. Oh, I thought there was school today or class today. Abi is I thought, and then klase is class, and then subong is now or today. Ay abi ko may klase subong. Another one is hala, which translates to oh no or oh my in English. Hala, may sunog sa atubang balay. Oh, there's a fire in front of the house. So, sunog is like a fire, atubang is front, and then a balay is a house. Hala, may sunog sa atubang balay. Another one is hala, malapit na ang ulan. So, oh no, the rain is about to start, or the rain is near, like maybe to start. So, malapit is near, and then ulan is rain. So, hala, malapit na ang ulan. Hala, nahulog ang bata sa hagdan. Oh no, the child fell down the stairs. Nahulog is like fell, and then a hagdan is a stair, and then a bata is a child. So, hala, nahulog ang bata sa hagdan. Number 4 is hala, nakalimtan ko ang assignment ko. So, oh no, I forgot my assignment. So, nakalimtan is forgot. And then assignment is assignment also in English. Hala, nakalimtan ko ang assignment ko. Hala, gabaha na sa kalsada. Oh my, the street is flooded already na. It's like an intensifier. Baha is like flood, and then kalsada is like the street. Hala, gabaha na sa kalsada. Hala, may nadula ka nga kwarta. So, oh no, you lost some money. So, nadula is like lost, and then kwarta is money. Hala, may nadula ka nga kwarta. Hala, naubos mo na ang tubig. Oh no, the water ran out. And then, yeah, naubos is like used. And then, tubig is water. Hala, naubos mo na ang tubig. You already used all the water. Hala, naglain ang chimpo. So, oh no, the weather changed. So, naglain is like changed. And then, a chimpo or panahon, that's time. Next one, hala, natabunan ang pagkaon. Next one is, oh no, the food got covered. So, tabunan is like cover, and then pagkaon is food. Hala, natabunan ang pagkaon. Hala, may tawo nga nagasunod sa imo. So, oh my, someone is following you. Tawo is a person, and then nagasunod is like following. So, hala, may tawo nga nagasunod sa imo. Next one is ambot, which translates to I don't know or whatever in English. Ambot, wala ako kabalo sang matuod. I don't know, I'm not sure of the truth. Wala is don't or no. Kabalo is like aware of, and then matuod is truth. So, ambot, wala ako kabalo sang matuod. Ambot, wala ako kabalo sang iya rason. So, I don't know his or her reason. Kabalo is like aware of or no, and then rason is reason. So, ambot, wala ako kabalo sa iyang rason. Ambot, ano bala ang ginahimo niya? I don't know what he or she is doing. Ginahimo is like doing. Niya is he or she. It's gender neutral. Ambot, ano bala ang ginahimo niya? Ambot, wala ko kabalo kung diin siya nagkadto. I don't know where he or she went. Kabalo is like aware of, and then diin is where, and then nagkadto is like went. Ambot wala ko kabalo kung diin siya nagkadto. Ambot wala ko kabalo kung matuod ini. So I don't know, I'm not sure if this is true. Matuod is like truth. So ambot wala ko kabalo kung matuod ini. Ambot, tanawa lang siya. I don't know, just watch him or her. Siya is gender neutral. So tanaw means just to watch or yeah. So ambot, tanawa lang siya. Ambot, wala gid ko nag-interest. So I don't know, I'm not interested at all. Nag-interest is interested, wala is not. So ambot, wala gid ko nag-interest. Ambot, bahala na siya. Whatever, let her or him be. Ambot, bahala na siya. Bahala is like whatever, let it be. Ambot, bahala na siya. Ambot, kung gusto mo, hala padayon. So whatever, if you want, just go ahead. Kung gusto mo, gusto is like want. If you want, just padayon means continue. Just go ahead. Ambot, kung gusto mo, hala padayon. Ambot, malipay ko, basta malipay ka. Whatever, I'll be happy if you're happy. Malipay means happy ko, like I'm happy. Malipay ka is you are happy. So ambot, malipay ko, basta malipay ka. In summary, so aba is used for surprise or admiration. I is used for mild surprise or realization. Hala is used for alarm or concern. Ambot is used for uncertainty or indifference. So these interjections add emotional depth to conversations and can express feelings more vividly in Hiligaynon. So it is encouraged for learners to use these interjections to make their speech more natural and expressive. And that is all about for this video regarding Hiligaynon interjections. I do hope you learned something new. Madamo gid nga salamat and see you in the next one. Bye!